Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we are at number 42 Maydowns Road in Chesterfield. We're looking at a gorgeous detached family home today, which comes packed full to the rafters with added extras and completely bespoke finishes. The front courtyard driveway here is accessible via an electric gate, and you can see it's a really imposing space set nicely back from the road. The front entrance door is a beautiful oak front entrance door, and we're going to go straight into the main hallway of this stunning detached family residence. And one of the main things that you notice straight away is that gorgeous landing space up there, which is just at the top of that beautiful oak staircase and that beautiful parquet flooring that just cascades its way through the lower level of this property. Coming straight through into the front lounge here, you can see that gorgeous bank of aluminium framed double glazed windows there at the front, which do follow throughout the property. It's just a wonderful private space that you know that you're going to be able to relax in. All of the little things have been thought about with this property, of course, to minimise the wastage of space on the walls. We've got those beautiful contemporary style vertical radiators there, placed strategically throughout the property so that you're not wasting any space at all. Coming through into the second of the reception spaces on the ground level, we come into this fantastic family room, which is currently being used as a brilliant children's play area. Now, perhaps you'd like to continue using it as a children's playroom, or you could use it as an at-home study or second reception. It's completely up to you, but there are some fantastic options with regards to the way that the ground level of this property is organised. Now we'll go back out to the entrance hall, and we're going to go through and take a look at the stunning kitchen area that we've got with this property. The kitchen with this property is absolutely stunning. You can see you've got that beautiful parquet flooring throughout, and of course the kitchen comes packed full of wonderful gadgets and a full range of fitted appliances. You've got those marble work surfaces, that wonderful centre island there, you've got the induction hob, you've got 2 electric ovens, an integrated dishwasher, fridge and fridge freezer. With this space here, you've of course got these fantastic doors opening up onto the rear garden there, and as you can see, it's a really wonderful space, and we will take a look at that a little bit later on in the tour. In this kitchen dining area, it's nice and open, it's lovely and light and bright. You've got plenty of space in here for the dining room table, and through here you have access to the gym. Now this is a really interesting space. You'll see we've got a sauna there that comes fitted with the property, and of course you can see you've got that beautiful oak flooring that runs throughout. At the end of the gym you've got the doors leading out onto the rear garden, and there are some really interesting options with this space. Perhaps you could keep using it as a gym, or perhaps it could be used as some further ground floor living accommodation. It's completely up to you, but the options are there. It's a really fantastic space, this. Next, we're going to go and take a look at the lower level cloakroom, and of course the utility room, which gives you access through to the garage. So here we are in the utility room on the ground floor of the property. Of course, we've got plenty of space in here for the washing machine and the tumble dryer, and some storage there as well. We're coming through into the garage now, and you can see you've got the electric garage door there at the front, and this is a fantastic sized garage. There's plenty of space in here actually for a Rolls Royce as well, so plenty of space there if you like to keep your vehicles nicely covered away. You've of course got some really handy storage options there as well with the worktops. Now coming back through to the main entrance hall here, we're going to go up this really impressive oak staircase and take a look at the landing space that we've got, and then we're going to go straight into one of the bedrooms. Here we are in the front bedroom. This is bedroom number 4. Of course, we're overlooking the front driveway of the property within this bedroom, but we've got plenty of space in here for a double bed, and it's a lovely light and bright and airy room. We'll go through now and take a look at bedroom number 2. As you can see here, bedroom number 2 is a fantastic size, plenty of space in here for a double bed and a range of storage options as well, with wardrobes and chest of drawers, and we've got the window here just overlooking the rear garden of the property, so fantastic double size room this. Coming back across the landing space here, we come through to bedroom number 3 at the front of the property, and of course we've got that wonderful window there at the front, just letting all of that natural light through into the room. We've got the range there of fitted wardrobe cupboards as well, and we've got plenty of space in here for a double bed. So after taking a look at this space here, we'll go through and take a look at the family bathroom next, and as you can see, it's a beautiful modern space. We've got that lovely vaulted ceiling here, we've got the Velux window there at the side, and that really impressive copper plated nickel bath there, as well as the fitted shower unit there. Really beautiful family bathroom this. It's certainly about time we went through and took a look at the master suite within the property, as it is just such an impressive space. We've got plenty of space in here for a double bed. We've got that impressive window there at the back just overlooking the rear garden, but look at this for a dressing room. That is a proper dressing room. You've got the full range of storage options there, and it's just absolutely beautiful. Coming back through into the master bedroom here as well, you can see we've got the access through to the ensuite, which we'll take a look at, and we've got also here an access point through to a beautiful private balcony that overlooks the rear garden. We'll spend a few moments taking a look at the stunning ensuite that we've got with the property, and then we'll go out onto the balcony and go outside and take a look at the rear garden that we have here. So here we are in the rear garden, and as you can see, it is a fantastic size, but it makes the most of the space that's on offer here. Of course, you've got all of those access points from the main building out into the rear garden, and you've got this really impressive pagoda here to provide you with some amazing outdoor entertainment space. There's plenty to go through with this property, so we'll go straight into that next. So the property comes with a full range of fitted appliances, and those appliances are controlled by a fantastic fully integrated system called Smart 4. Everything within the property can be operated by the system off of your mobile phone. So you could easily open the garage door at the front, open the gates at the front of the property, and of course you can even do things like organising the property's sound systems throughout, and of course turning on your kettles and toasters. So the house really is fully automated. The ovens are also smart ovens too, so they can be controlled via the phones as well. There's loads to go through with this property, and we really would ask that you give us a call at Kent Estate Agencies to find out anything more specific that you'd like to know. And please don't forget that if you like the way that we're presenting our properties within these video tours, give us a call today to book your free valuation.